What is up, my friends? It is Mazie with Barbecue by Mazie, and you are tuned in to another episode of Pit Boss Backyard Bosses. While you're here, go ahead and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss a single episode. Today, we are making some tasty hot dogs, Sonoran hot dogs. These are very popular in Arizona, originated in Sonora, Mexico. It's a tasty street food, and it's really one of those cooks where you can do so many different things with it that I'm just going to show you how I like to make them, and then I'm going to let you guys run wild. But here are the basics. We're starting with regular old beef wieners, and we're wrapping them in bacon. That's the base of your Sonoran hot dog. Then really where the Mexican flair comes into it is with all of your toppings. So we're going to do things like pico, jalapeno, pinto beans. You could add avocado. There's just so much stuff you can do with it. Really customize it to how you like it. I'm going to stop yapping. We're going to just dive in, get these dogs ready for the grill because I'm starving. Okay, let's prep our wieners. All right, folks, all you can see is we got some wieners here. We got some bacon. You don't want thick cut bacon. Just go with the regular old thin bacon. And all we're going to do is start by wrapping our hot dogs, overlapping the bacon to help it stay on better, like that. So we're going to wrap our hot dogs in bacon. Remember, you don't want thick cut bacon for this. All right? Resist the urge. Now, you could stop here, but why would you? Seriously. I'm going to season with Maple Chipotle rub from Pit Boss. You don't have to season it, but I just think it's going to give it just a little bit more flavor. Right now, my smoker is preheating while I prep. This cook is going to go pretty quick, so you want to make sure you've got things ready to go. Okay, for this cook, I'm putting the rack just right in the center where all of our heat is. I've got the hot dogs on a wire rack so that our bacon grease isn't just dripping down into the Pit Boss. That's where grease fires happen. If you want, you can go ahead and put them right on the grates. So while our hot dogs are on the grill, we're going to go ahead and get all the other ingredients prepped. We're just waiting for our hot dogs and bacon to cook, so there's really not much that we need to do now that now that the old wieners are on the grill. So come inside with me. We're going to prep our beans, get our buns ready, and we're going to be eating delicious Sonoran hot dogs in no time. Come on, let's go. All right, our hot dogs are just about finished, so we're going to prep our buns. I have bolillo buns, which is what you just got to use for Sonoran hot dogs. Just trust me. Now, these are just store-bought, so I'm sure they're not quite as good as like a nice homemade hot or bun in Tucson or Sonora. But I am going to just take out some of the bread. These are very bready buns. And we're going to stuff these things with toppings. So I'm just making way for some toppings here. To assemble our Sonoran hot dogs, I'm going to start with a little mayo in the bun to begin with. But if you want, you could drizzle some on the top. Remember, we're just doing things how we want here. Beans go on the bottom. This is going to be a messy hot dog, so don't be afraid to get in there and make things messy. All right, now we're going to get our wiener, and it's just going right here in the middle. See that? Perf. Now you can really get fun, crazy with your toppings. We're hitting it with a little mustard, a little bit of pico. Get it down in there if you want. I like jalapeno. You can do pickled. You could do raw onion if you want. You can do guacamole. And I'm going to top it with just a little bit of cilantro. There you have it. I'm going to go ahead and get the rest of our hot dogs on our buns, and then we'll bring you back in and recap. Don't you dare leave. I swear, don't you dare leave, you little wiener. Okay, guys, seriously, that's such an easy cook. It really only takes about 30 minutes to get your hot dogs ready. So make sure you have all your toppings prepped and ready to go. The Sonoran hot dog is a nice alternative when you're just in the mood to spice things up a bit, you can seriously do whatever you want with it. Run wild with the toppings. Appreciate you guys so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today on this episode of Pit Boss Backyard Bosses. We'll see you back out here next time. Make sure you subscribe to the Pit Boss YouTube channel and the Barbecue by Mazie YouTube channel while you're at it. Peace.